Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn how we can upload images in assignment. For that, we have to open the team app, go to the particular team, click on team A, go to the general channel. Under the post, you will see the notification of the assignment. So click on view assignment. You can see the attached question paper. Open that question paper and then write all the answers carefully in register or notebook with black pen in neat and clean handwriting. So now the next task is to click the picture and upload in assignment. For that, I have downloaded one app. It is Adobe Scan from Google Play Store. So I'll minimize this. I'll open the Adobe Scan app. Take the picture of all the answers in a bright light. So here we have to adjust the corner. If the image is blurred, you can click on retake. If it is fine, then click on continue and click the next image. So you can take the picture of 2 pages or 3 pages or 4 pages. In all the pages, we have to adjust the corners. And click on continue. Click on continue. And then you can see that all the images sum up in the right bottom corner. So we need to click on right bottom corner on this here. So I'll click here and all the 3 pages open up. Now we have to adjust the color. As you can see here, I can rename here if required. I'll rename as answer so that I can identify my document, and then adjust the color. Click on color, click on apply to all pages, select original, and now you can see the clarity here. Click on save PDF. So it is uploading to document, uploading to the cloud. We cannot attach from the cloud, so we have to download from the cloud in our device so that we can attach in assignment. It will not take much time. So once it is upload on cloud, then we have to click on share. There are 2 options actually. If one is working, it's fine. Otherwise, you can go with the second option. You can click on more, click on copy to device. Normally this will take time. Message has come, answer has been copied to your device. So we'll check in the document. So you can see that here there is no document by the name answer. So I'll go back. There's a second way to do is click on share. share a copy, open with Drive PDF Viewer, click on right top 3 dots and click on download. This worked faster than the previous option. Like now if we go to the document, and you can see the answer document is downloaded. So now we'll go to the team to attach this answer PDF. So click on back. I'll go to the previous page where the link of the question paper was there. Just below the link you can see the add work option. So when we click on add work, we have to locate the file. Since the file is in my device, so I'll click on upload from this device. I'll click here. I know that my file is in document, so I'll click on recent, or you can directly locate your file document from file manager also. You can directly go from file manager or from the recent. So you have to check which option is coming in your mobile. I can go with these two options. I can locate the file from these two options. So I'll click on recent. So you can see that file is here. I'll click, and you can see that the file start uploading. And once it is uploaded, then we have to click on turn in, or there may be a turn in or hands in the right top corner here, you can see. So I'll click on this turn in option. So this appearance of cartoon basically indicate that my work has submitted. Now by mistake, if you think that wrong PDF is submitted, so you can click on undo turn in, but in a stipulated time, in the given time, means if the time for completing your answer is 9 AM to 10 AM, so you can do this task before 10 AM, because after 10 AM you cannot undo turn in. And now your work is done, your work is submitted. So I think now it is clear that how we can upload the images or how we can attempt the subjective paper in assignments. Thank you.